everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. So this is the fourth giveaway video in the wowwalidiwali giveaway series, guys, and I am so grateful to Wow for doing this in collaboration with me because I've never done so many giveaways back to back on my channel. I'm really happy, blessed and grateful. Thank you, Wow. So yeah, make sure to make the most of this opportunity, and you have to participate on this post on my Instagram profile as well, and all the winners will be announced on my Instagram stories, so make sure to keep a tab on them, and make sure to follow all the rules. Don't miss out on anything, guys. And now let's get started with today's video, and let me tell you how I made my hair look so amazing, glossy, shiny, and tangle free and everything with just one mask. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with the hair mask, I will be using aloe vera gel as the main ingredient. This is 99% pure aloe vera gel from Wow and has no mineral oil or parabens and has no added color as well. This is a clear gel, just like the real aloe vera gel. And I will be taking approximately 2 to 3 spoons of it because I have butt length hair, and you can change the quantity as per your requirement. Then I'm adding a spoon of honey and a spoon of castor oil. All these ingredients are extremely hydrating for the scalp, and it adds a lot of shine and tames frizz and keeps your hair tangle free and really smooth and shiny. So yeah, once you have achieved this sort of consistency, it's ready to be applied on your scalp and hair length. So I will be first using whatever product is there on the spoon, and then I'm going to dig into the bowl, and I will be really massaging this into the scalp very nicely, and I will make a little section and massage it using the fingertips and not the nails. Make sure you're not scratching yourself. And yeah, that's pretty much it that you have to do. And then I'll move on to the lens. I'll really concentrate the product on the ends, because they are the most dry and lifeless part of your hair. So yeah, and then I'll just tie my hair into a bun and keep it for 30 minutes at least. You can keep for longer duration as well. Like I kept it for more than an hour, and the results were amazing. And this is all natural and pure, and it doesn't really going to harm you guys. So yeah, then I'm going to shampoo my hair using this coconut shampoo from Wow. I think I like this more than the apple cider vinegar. First of all, because of the scent, it feels like I have coconut in the bathroom, and it's just amazing, and it's very hydrating, and it also lathers up pretty well, just like the ACV shampoo. But because of coconut, I like this a little bit more. Yeah, I am partial towards coconuts, guys. So yeah, and really like this shampoo as well, and would recommend if you're looking for a really good sulfate-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free shampoo, then I think this is a really good option that you can invest in. And this is how my hair looked like. Sorry for the extra drama, but this is how my hair looked like after the shampoo, and I was really happy with how the hair mask worked for me. I've never felt my hair so soft and tangle free. Like I'm literally combing my hair through my fingers. I didn't really need a brush or a comb, so that's amazing. And yeah, loved it to bits. I would recommend you guys doing this, especially during this transition season when your hair are extremely dry and the scalp is itchy and flaky. So yep. So that was all for this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'm really excited about the giveaways, guys. So make sure that you're participating and doing your best. And I will see you very soon with another video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. I love you so much.
The fourth giveaway video in the wowwali giveaway Diwali series. Oh God.